Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So, before starting today's video, I really want to say two things. Firstly, thank you so much for the immense love and support you people have shown me in my first video on this platform. And secondly, thank you for the 100 subs. I love all you people and keep supporting me like this so that I can make more videos like this in the future. Coming back to the video, today's topic is about Lotus Mandala. Now, before starting to draw a Lotus Mandala, we need to learn a little bit about it. Don't worry, it's not gonna be a boring history lecture. It's just a small background check so that we can understand the mandala itself and why we are drawing this kind. Lotus is a flower that holds immense symbolism and cultural significance in different cultures and religions throughout Asia. In different religions, it holds different meanings and symbolism, but mainly it symbolizes enlightenment, purity, rebirth, and regeneration. The significance of lotus flower lies in the fact that it has an ecological property to emerge from mud and burst into full bloom during the daytime. This kind of symbolizes the ability of a human being to rise up from the material world and unite with the divineness of the universe. This ideology was popularized by Gautama Buddha in different parts of Asia and which is still culturally significant in different Asian countries and their religion. With the popularity of yoga, meditation, and healing processes in the Western world, this mandala making and ideologies embedded in the mandala are getting popularized also. So now that we have known everything about the mandala, let's start drawing it. So I have taken a thumbnail page where I'm going to add a little thumbnail. Actually, the purest form, the mandala generally have 1000 petals, which is kind of difficult for us to remake. So we are going to make an easy 2D picture here and let's see what we can come up with. Now I'm going to draw a circle using the middle point of the page. If you are new to this channel and don't know how to find the middle point of a page, then go to the link in the description box where I have taught how to find the middle point of a page and how to draw a basic mandala. I like the first thumbnail a lot, so I'm going to put the first thumbnail in here as a main mandala. So now I'm taking a smaller circle, almost 4 cm in radius, and going to make the circle. After drawing the circle, I am going to make the main petal along this circle according to the thumbnail I have drawn. You need to have very steady hands to do this, but if you are a beginner, don't think about making it perfect. I have said it in the previous video also, you need not to be perfect. You just need to start drawing somewhere. You don't need to be perfect to do this. After doing this, I am going to take another arc so that I can measure how much length I have taken. It is slightly more than 4 centimeters, and now I am going to take the measurement with a scale so that I do not forget how much length I have taken. Now after doing this, I am going to make the second petal. You can make the second petal of the same length as the first one, but I'm going to make it a little small and take the intersection points of the two circles as my guideline by which I am going to make the second circle. I'm sorry, the second petal. Sometimes I say wrong things and you can see that in every video. So be gentle on yourself and go with the flow and make the petal. After doing the petal, I'm going to do the third one. So in the third one, I'm going to do a little lower than the second one because I want a gradient of petals here, not all of the same length. So from the intersection point, I am going upwards and I am going to join the two areas. Well, I'm not too happy with it. Maybe I should remake it. Yeah. You can also do this. You are a beginner. You can make mistakes. You can learn from your mistakes so that you can be better. Okay. So I have completed the right side. I'm going to the left side and make the same length of petals on the left side. Now coming to the lower portion, there will be a second big petal in the middle of the lower portion. I am taking a line so that I can understand how much long I want to make the lower petal. and I'm measuring the line so that I can get a midpoint, almost midpoint about it, so that I can draw a circle here which will gonna guide me to make the lower middle petal. And I am having some struggle with my compass here. I think I can make it. Yeah, I can make it. You can think, why is she making a lotus flower so complicated? She could have finished it in like just one jab. But no, mandala doesn't work like that. Mandala has a specific routine, you can say, where we have to make things almost equal or similar in size. Now coming to the right portion, I'm going to make two little petals here. So I'm taking again the similar lengths so that I can get the idea how much long or how much short I'm going to make the petals, and it is going to help me in the long run so that when I'm doing it in the right side, we can have the similar length. So making two petals, I hope you can see it clearly, because my camera position is not quite well. I'm quite struggling with my camera position. Let's meet after doing the left side. So now I've completed the whole section and I've added a few more petals in the upper side. If you want to add more, you can, but I want to stick to the thumbnail. Now I am going to do the line work and I hope you are going to enjoy it. The line work is complete now. I hope it is relaxing for you people. Now I'm doing the inner lining. Let's see how it goes. In this mandala also I'm going to keep it floral because it is a completely floral mandala. Let's do some thumbnail work. So I am going to draw something that is related to flowers, something related to buds, something related to leaves. It can be leaf-like, leaf margin-like, or vein-like. You can draw anything you want. You can draw anything that emerges the energy from your mind to your paper. I am drawing whatever I feel like looks the best for me. You can go for your own designs. I can go for some wing-like patterns. It looks quite great. Like wings of fairies. Like it is very beautiful to look at. So I think I should go to the process and make the wing-like structures, make some differences with it, like making inner lining. I'm going to go with the flow. Let's enjoy the process. Now, after working for a few hours on it, I have completed it and I added a little more substance to it so that it can look a bit different. So let's reveal it.